At 72, Margaret feared the stairs more than the cold. Each step felt like lifting bricks. But 3 months later, something changed. She wasn't winded. Her knees didn't scream. What did she do different? Leg strength isn't just about walking. It's about independence. It's the power to stand up from a chair, prevent dangerous falls, and go on that walk with your grandkids. But as we age, we naturally lose muscle, especially in our legs and hips. Let's start with chickpeas. Those little golden orbs are packed with plant-based protein and magnesium. They help rebuild muscle tissue and support nerve function. Margaret added them to soups and salads. Within weeks, she noticed her legs didn't tire as quickly on her morning walks. Tiny but mighty, pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients help with oxygen transport to muscles and reduce inflammation. John, 68, started adding a handful to his yogurt daily. No more nighttime leg cramps, he says with a smile. Yes, seaweed, especially nori and wakame. Rich in iodine, calcium, and potassium, seaweed supports joint health and prevents muscle cramping. In Japan, where seaweed is a staple, seniors remain mobile far longer than the global average. Beets improve blood flow thanks to their natural nitrates. Better blood flow means better delivery of oxygen and nutrients to leg muscles. Tom, 70, blends beets into a morning smoothie. Sardines may be small, but they're rich in protein, calcium, and vitamin D. That's the holy trinity for strong bones and muscles. Seniors who eat them twice a week report better balance and fewer joint aches. These colorful roots are loaded with potassium and complex carbs. Perfect fuel for your legs. They also reduce inflammation, helping with joint pain. Clara, 66, roasts them with olive oil and herbs. I walk farther now than I did at 50, she laughs. Don't overlook watermelon. It contains citrulline, which helps reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery. After a brisk walk, enjoying a few slices can actually help your legs bounce back faster. You don't need expensive supplements. Just a simple plate. Chickpeas for protein, beets for blood flow, sweet potatoes for fuel, and a few pumpkin seeds for recovery. Do this daily, and your legs will thank you. Every strong step you take after 60 is a step toward freedom, toward staying active, independent, and full of life. So choose wisely. Feed your legs the love they deserve. If this helped you or someone you love, hit like, subscribe, and share. And in the comments, what's your favorite leg-strengthening food? Let's grow stronger together.